In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a community post on YouTube. Very simple to do. All you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your channel that you want to make the post on. And you want to come over to your YouTube page and go ahead and click on posts. So what I'm going to do here is click on post. We're going to X out of that. And what you can do is really a lot of different stuff. You can have an image, you can have polls and stuff, quizzes, or you can add a video to it. So what we can do here is hi, how, how is everyone doing today? You can simply just ask a question and you can just hit post, and then your post will be created right here. And then that's this way it's interactive with your people, so they can like it, that they can comment on it, they can share a post if it's like a picture or a video or a poll. So it's real easy and real customizable to make a community post so that your subscribers can see what's going on, interact with you a little bit more personally other than just commenting on videos and stuff like that. So it's just another way for you to communicate with your subscribers and for your subscribers to communicate with you. So hope you guys liked the video. It's very easy, very simple. Keep it that way, and we'll see you guys in the next video.